Hi, can I try some local foods?
Ngao trai yong chê.
Snow Trayun Che. Yes. 4,000. Okay, yeah, I'll try that also. Hello. Here it is.
Hello.
What's your name?
My name is Maggie.
I like your hair. You're really pretty. Wow. Hello you guys. So I just got to the Phsar Leu Thom market, the local Khmer market here in Siem Reap. As you can see, the sun is setting down, so people will be coming here to have their dinners. For now, let's just walk around and see what kind of foods people here offer. So we can see a lot of meat, fish, vegetables, soups, watermelon. Lots of vegetables here. Okra. Surprising, this is the first place in Siem Reap where I'm not seeing any foreigners at all, just the locals. But it's a very busy market, as you can see. There's a bunch of scooters, a lot of stands also. It feels quite overwhelming, the amount of smells, raw meat, raw fish. We can go this way or straight. What do we do? Well, let's go straight for now. So many things going on around me everywhere. This is really where also all the different smells start. Oh, here's the fan, look. So this is actually the stand where I would personally buy something from, as opposed to all the other ones, especially meat. With a fan like that, things are far more hygienic because flies will not be able to reach the meat. What on earth is this thing? This black thing? What is this, guys? Do I want to know? I don't know if I want to know what that is. They're like oysters or some sort of mussels or shells. I don't know. I love this fruit. I don't even know the English name for it, but I love it. This one. It's amazing. Yeah, also have it's really nice. Oh, wow. Hi, can I try some local foods? Can I?
Okay, have a
Which ones? This is, what's this?
pig.
Soup?
Pig.
Oh, no pig, no. No pig, no cow, okay? Chicken, okay. How much are these?
4,000. 1,000. Ngao trai yong chê.
Snow Trayun Che. Yes. Okay, I will try, sure. Yeah, please. Fish. Oh, okay. What's the name? Macho Spike Mai?
Okay.
Oh gosh, my pronunciation, I'm so sorry.
4,000.
4,000. Okay, yeah, I'll try that also. Hello. Hi. Got some rice also. It's really nice. Okay. I wonder if it has coconut or something because of the coloring. And this one looks very nice, full of goodies, vegetables and whatnot. Let's try. Smells really nice. Oh wow, full of flavor. Not too salty, not too bland. And really taste the vegetables. It's a little sour, but...
Hello.
Hi. Hello. What's your name?
My name is
Your name? You. What's your name? Lai Hiang. How old are you? Are you 5? 4? 3? 3. Oh. I like your hair. You're really pretty. Oh wow, this is even better. This is the white soup. That's really nice, tasty. I'm so lucky that I found this stand, you guys. I can see you. It's a lot of food. My name? Ola. Ola, yeah. I'm Ola. These are very big portions. Got 2 meals. Can't even finish them. It's so full. This white soup, oh gosh, I need to remember the name. How much for this? Okay, thank you. I'll see you later. Squid. Oh, I could try that. Here, like you can see, she's got the fan also going. So I feel very safe using this place. And I want to try something else. I know I said I was full. How much? 2,000 real. Okay, I'll try it. This is a steal, you guys. I got squid for 2,000 reals. Going to try it in a sec. But look, everything looks so delicious here. Fish. I wonder what that is, that squiddy long thing. Wow. Come to this market in Siem Reap, you guys. They literally have so many options here. Honestly, I'm having such a great experience at this market. I got really lucky with the people I came across, the stand. The lady's serving dinners like constantly throughout the night. She has so many different options to choose from, and highly recommend anyone to come to her. She's lovely. Been talking, we've been playing. I stayed there until it got dark practically because they were so cute and so adorable. I just wanted to play with the kids and not care about anything else. I'm going to start heading back now. This is such a cool experience, and definitely will be coming back to that stand again. A tongue? Oh, it's still alive.
Mày nó hả?
I got lucky because the little boy, as we saw, the little boy saw the ladies, the owner's son, spoke English. He was actually really clever and his English was really good, and yeah, he spoke English. And that's how I was able to hopefully, I hope, make sure that there was no beef or pork in my meals. I think he understood, and certainly it didn't seem like there was any beef or pig or pork in my food. But sometimes when you travel, you just have to adapt. And as much as I'm going to do my best to make sure I don't eat beef or pork, because I haven't nearly all my life, I've not been eating it. If I do by accident also, I'm not going to, I'm not going to stress about it. However, I would rather avoid it as much as I can whenever possible, Also looks really fresh, yeah? Nice. That's the end for our market adventure for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I have no idea how it's actually going to turn out, because it was a bit of a, just a spontaneous one. I really wanted to come here. I really wanted to see some Khmer cuisine, real local Khmer foods. Hey! Oh. So if you enjoyed this video, please let me know, and I'll make sure to film more of these videos for you guys. It's not just about trying the foods. Going to these local markets allows me to get to interact with the locals. And these interactions are more pure than the ones you would have in your hotel. And it's just something so precious, especially with the way kids behave and they react. If I would not go to this local market, I would not have such a precious, authentic, real experience with the locals. So yeah, it was beautiful. With that being said, I'm just a biased foreigner. I'm just a biased tourist here in Cambodia. My initial impression of this market was actually quite sad. Seeing the poor hygiene of many of these market stalls, it made me really sad. I know later, when I went to the lady who was selling the cooked food, the hygiene there was perfect. Like, I didn't see any insects, any flies, anything of that kind there. So that was totally fine. But when you go deep inside the market, it's a little heartbreaking to see all these stalls with like hundreds, if not thousands, of flies just sat on the meat. Made me feel for the locals who buy from these stands, But what gives me hope is those other stands. The one that had fans on, or the one that had ladies just, pushing the flies away. Yeah, those stands give you hope that things will change for the better here at the market, and this will become a norm. So yeah, guys, that's all I wanted to say in today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know if you liked it. Please let me know if you would like to see more of these videos. Yeah, more seafoods and more shells, and oh yeah, and they grill prawns. I will go now. Love you guys.